Gutters are a vital part of any home's exterior. They channel water away from the foundation and help to protect your home from water damage. It can also help to prevent leaks in your basement or crawlspace. While they are designed to withstand a great deal of wear and tear, they do require some maintenance. Leaves and debris can build up in your pipe, causing them to clog. When this happens, water can overflow and cause damage to your home's exterior. It is important to clean them on a regular basis to prevent this from happening. If you live in an area that is prone to severe weather, it is also important to inspect them on a regular basis. Strong winds can loosen the brackets and cause damage. Your home is your castle, and keeping it in tip-top shape requires some vigilance. One important but often overlooked component of your home's structure is the gutters. Make sure that they are being cleaned and maintained by a professional. A lot of damage can be done to your home's exterior if these parts are not kept in good condition.